In this video, I'm going to show you how to receive mentions and replies notifications from anyone on X, formerly Twitter, using x.com. This is a really useful setting if you want to stay on top of conversations, never miss a reply, and make sure you get notified whenever someone mentions your account. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick social media tips and step-by-step guides. Let's jump right in. First, open x.com or Twitter and log into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the left navigation bar. If you don't see all the options right away, click on More to expand the full menu. This will reveal additional settings and tools. Next, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account, notification, and privacy controls. After that, select Notifications. This section controls how and when X alerts you about activity on your account. Now click on Preferences. Inside the Notifications area, you'll see several options that let you customize how alerts work. From here, click on Push Notifications. This is the section that controls notifications sent to your phone or device. Once you're in Push Notification settings, look for the Mentions and Replies option. Under that category, you'll see a toggle for From Anyone. Turn that toggle on. This is the key setting that allows you to receive mention and reply notifications from any user, not just people you follow. After you switch it on, your notifications will be updated, and you should start seeing alerts from anyone who mentions or replies to you, depending on your device notification settings as well. If you ever want to change this again, you can come back to the same menu and adjust it anytime. And that's it. You now know how to receive mentions and replies notifications from anyone on X or Twitter. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.